How to delete your Instagram account permanently. So if you want to delete Instagram account permanently, then first open up your Instagram application and go with the bottom right, which has that profile option, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar. And here you need to go with the account center. Under account center, go with the personal details. Under personal details, tap on account ownership and control, tap on deactivation and deletion, and then tap on Instagram. Once you choose Instagram, now you need to tap on delete account instead of deactivate account, and then tap on continue and choose a reason why you would like to delete, and then tap on continue and again tap on continue. And here you need to enter the password. Once you enter the password of your account, of your Instagram account, then your account will be deactivated, and if you don't log back into your account for 1 month, then your account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.